Zhangjiagang Miracle Machinery Company Limited was established in 1998, located in Zhangjiagang City, Jiangsu Province, China. We are devoted to the development, research and production of liquid food and beverage packaging industry. Our main products include mineral water, pure water production lines, fruit tea production lines, carbonated beverage production lines, 5-gallon jar bottle drinking water production lines, vinegar oil wine production lines, cover bottle, cup, 3 and 5-gallon barrel, can, sachet, etc. Different containers filling to packaging machine. With advanced technology, scientific management systems, and perfect after-sales service, we have won a high reputation among clients. Our clients are all over Canada, Australia, Mexico, Malta, Iraq, Pakistan, Nigeria, South Africa, New Zealand, Argentina and India, totally more than 30 countries and regions. We are looking forward to receiving your inquiries in the near future. Hope we can establish a long-term business relationship. You are welcome to visit our company.